Here are 15 ways to make money online. Freelance work. There are many websites where you can find freelance work, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. You can find work in a variety of fields, such as writing, editing, graphic design, web development, and more. Start a YouTube channel. If you have a passion for something, you can start a YouTube channel and share your knowledge and expertise with the world. Once you have a large enough following, you can start making money through advertising, sponsorships, and product sales. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a business model where you don't have to carry any inventory. When a customer places an order on your website, you simply place the order with the supplier and they ship the product directly to the customer. This is a great way to start an online business with little upfront investment. Take online surveys. There are many websites that will pay you to take online surveys. While you won't get rich taking surveys, it's a great way to make some extra money in your spare time. Create a blog. If you have something to say, you can start a blog and share your thoughts and ideas with the world. Once you have a large enough following, you can start making money through advertising, sponsorships, and product sales. Sell products online. You can sell products online through your own website or through a marketplace like Amazon or eBay. If you don't want to deal with the hassle of shipping products, you can also sell digital products, such as ebooks, music, and software. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from a remote location. This is a great option for people who want to work from home and have flexible hours. Take online courses. There are many websites that offer online courses on a variety of topics. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell your own online courses. Write and publish an ebook. If you have a book inside of you, you can self-publish it and sell it online. There are many platforms that make it easy to self-publish an ebook, such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and IngramSpark. Teach online classes. If you have a passion for teaching, you can teach online classes through a platform like Udemy or Coursera. This is a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others and make some extra money in your spare time. Become a social media influencer. If you have a large following on social media, you can become a social media influencer. Companies will pay you to promote their products or services to your followers. Start a podcast. If you have something to say, you can start a podcast and share your thoughts and ideas with the world. Once you have a large enough following, you can start making money through advertising, sponsorships, and product sales. Create and sell digital products. If you have a creative side, you can create and sell digital products, such as ebooks, music, and software. This is a great way to make money from your creativity. Become a transcriptionist. Transcriptionists listen to audio recordings and type them out. This is a great option for people who have good typing skills and attention to detail. Become a customer service representative. Customer service representatives provide support to customers by answering questions, resolving issues, and providing technical assistance. This is a great option for people who have strong communication skills and are able to work under pressure. These are just a few of the many ways to make money online. With a little creativity and effort, you can find a way to make money that fits your skills and interests.